Hey everybody, GDPR is quickly approaching. If you are unfamiliar with what GDPR is, it is a European Union regulation. It stands for the General Data Protection Regulation. And what it does is it puts forth a set of rules and regulations for how you handle your users' personal data. Now, some of the controversy or heartache, I guess, maybe around this regulation is that it technically only affects European Union residents or citizens, right? It's a European Union law to protect European Union citizens. That said, uh, anybody outside of the European Union who has customers or users inside the European Union are also supposed to follow the GDPR. It's a lot of confusing stuff legally. The European Union is claiming global jurisdiction over the GDPR. And I should say that I'm not a lawyer. You should speak to your lawyer. There are a lot of really good resources out there, but I strongly recommend that if you are concerned with the GDPR, you talk to actual legal counsel so that they can give you their interpretation and understanding of the law and the ramifications of it for you and your business. That's not what this video is about, though. What this video is about is how to use ConvertKit to segment people from the European Union so that you can more easily follow some of those rules and regulations under the GDPR in case you need to, right? Again, I'm not saying that you need to do certain things. I don't know what your business model looks like or what your opt-in situation looks like. I'm not a lawyer. However, if you find that having folks in the European Union is helpful, this video will show you how to do that with ConvertKit. So, if we go to subscribers, once we log into ConvertKit, you'll see that we have our subscribers here on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side we have tags and segments. What I'm going to do is create a segment. I'm going to name it EU, and I'm going to add a filter. So we can select our subscribers matching any, all, or none of the following. I'm going to make this matching any of the following. ConvertKit makes it very easy to add this filter, so I'm going to click Add Filter. I'm going to choose within a country or region, and then I'm going to search for European Union. So I type EU, European Union shows up. I add that filter. I have only 53 subscribers from the European Union, and I'm going to save that segment. So now, if I click on EU, I'll see all of my subscribers from the EU. When I create a broadcast, I can create a new broadcast and I can target only that segment, right? So by default, it's all subscribers. If I click all subscribers, I can choose within a segment and I can choose EU. So if I want to email my European Union subscribers and say, hey, just so you know, I am mindful of the GDPR. I'm here in the United States. If you want to opt out of any of the following stuff, feel free to. Or if you want to opt in to some of the following stuff explicitly, feel free to do that too. Thanks so much for being a subscriber. If I want to do stuff like that, and then, based on what they opt into or out of, I can create broadcasts within the segment EU, as well as the filter. Maybe they're subscribed to a tag for being one of my students, right? So maybe they're in the European Union and they want to get the student news, but they don't want to get the marketing letter, so they've opted in as such. This makes it very easy for me to segment my list for just European users that are students. So there you have it. That is how to quickly and easily create an EU segment within ConvertKit. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And if you want to try ConvertKit yourself, click on the affiliate link in the description below. I've been using it since October and it's really changed the way I do business. And as a bonus, you'll get a 14-day free trial. So that's it, and thanks for watching.